want to apologise for the sound for the first few minutes in the video. The rain was really bad that day and it kept wrecking the microphone. So if you can stick with it, it gets a lot better. Enjoy. Right, we're all parked up and we've landed in Grasmere. So we've just set off looking like a couple of ninjas. Matching. And we'll take you around. It's a dead nice little town. We've never been here before. I think we drove through once and it was snowing and it was all lit up at night. So I'll spin it round. So we've parked down there. I'll put the location in, so it's free parking where we were. There's a gorgeous little bridge here. I think that's a hotel. But the views here, I bet you when it's not raining, it'll be really good. There we go. That's the hotel. The Rothy Garden. So we're just dealing with the fine rain that soaks you through. Let's have a look.
You can eat here and drink here if you're not a resident.
There you go. That's a nice place. So you can go there even if you're not staying there. Odds up.
I should put my hair back, but I don't want to look like.
I've only got my hat on, don't want to get my hair wet.
You know.
You know what I mean? There we go, open to non-residents again. And then there's a park there. Be good for the kids. So I think we're about 5-10 minute walk out of the little centre here. Show you the park. There we go. We're walking down here. And then there's now Grasmere Hotel. There's another thing there, is that plumbing? Plumber, paint, etc. There is a pharmacy. Let's have a crossover. All closed, so they mustn't even be open at weekend. It's 12:30 on a Saturday, so you going in there? This is what she's going in. Gifts, cards. Oh, Barney's news box. Call on the Wild. I knew Sarah would be attracted to that one. Lakes Art. That looks cool, doesn't it? What a nice shop. That's a cool picture, isn't it? That's dead nice. I wonder if that's a real photo. Real picture. Oh, it's painted. Wow. That's nice. Yeah. There's a bus stop.
That's it. Defibrillator in the old.
Yeah, in the old phone box. Yeah, so there is a what is it, gingerbread man shop.
Yeah.
That we're
Original.
the original. So we're gonna try and find it. Eskdale Town. Oh no, Easdale Town that way. Easdale Town that way. Look at that one day. So this is the Little Inn at Grasmere. This is a gorgeous little hotel. I think it's a little bit of a spa as well. Relax and unwind. And it looks like there's a little sauna as well. That'd be cool.
Go on, George, tell us what you've got on today.
Fit check.
God, do you fit check for us?
Decathlon.
That was a beautiful pop.
So I've bought the brolly now because, as you can tell, I'm having an absolute nightmare. So if you look at the microphone, it's flashing green and red.
Yeah.
The water was just making it connect, disconnect, disconnect. So hopefully the rest of the video will get a bit better now we've got the brolly. I'm gutted really, I've taken a lot of footage out. Right, I've had to improvise.
Umbrella!
I was getting drenched.
Don't come for us. I'm just driving and painting.
Where? It's a cool little tea room. It's nice, isn't it?
Really nice. It's
What's
a lot
this
bigger than I
place?
thought.
Yeah, what's that?
It says there, Moss
Organic
Grove
hotel.
Organic rooms.
How mad. There we go. Let me get a zoomed out shot. No idea what the rooms are, but we can have a look.
Not birds.
Ah, that looks a big hotel, doesn't it?
That was nice, that one.
Yeah, the Tweedies
Bar and
Lodge. Yeah, this is the win, this brolly. So we'll do a lap. Let's see your face now. And then we'll go and smash a few pints in.
With gingerbread.
Oh yeah. Oh, is this the gingerbread one here?
See ya.
Right, gingerbread is here. Is there? It's alright, we've got the brolly, haven't we?
Take a picture of me underneath that sign.
Yeah. It's obviously good, isn't it, if everyone's queuing. To discover, there you go. Smells good. Yeah, of course. What does that say there?
Imagine living in America in the most beautiful corner of England and eating breakfast
There we go. Yeah. Ah, that's not what I'm thinking though, is it? Or is it? That's what I'm thinking. Ah, that's the stuff I want, is it?
Hiya,
Yeah.
please.
Spicy, sweet, crispy. Right, we're going to try and find the burial, I think. We've got our goods. There we go. Let's see if we can squeeze the brolly. Oh, he's done it. He's done it, the lad. Whoa! All these names. I've just seen someone Preston then. Lancashire. Do you think these are all everyone that's buried here?
I'm just reading it now. I think it's people that sponsored.
Oh, right.
They put money to raise money for the garden.
Oh, nice. Well, there you go. Feel bad now. I thought these were all dead people. Let's find someone who's near home.
I'm up to Manchester.
Loads from Preston. There. Harry Parker. Not really. USA. Sarah Peggett and Debbie, USA. USA. Wigan, where? Aye. L. John. L. John from Wigan.
Show yourself. Unless you did then. Sorry.
Someone from Morecambe. Manchester. Stretford, Manchester. Cool all this, isn't it?
Come on, Salford, show yourself.
Yeah. Everyone's too tight from Salford. Where?
Andrew Ashton.
But you said Ange. Thought that was going to be Bigham from Wigan then. The Bigham from Wigan.
Salford.
Serious?
William Ronald Nelson, Salford.
There you go.
We're not so tight after all.
Hey. Dorset.
Australia.
Whitley Bay. Wow. This is dead cool. Tell you what, someone's done some good. You know, like trying to getting everyone. Blackburn. Bolton.
Is it there?
Alan, Sandra, Sam, Darley. Can't really see.
Canada.
Australia, Canada. Wow. India. Fuck's sake. Blackburn.
Washington.
Blackburn. Oh, is that someone's gravestone? With the tree. Let's have a look. Jim Rees. A life lived well. That's nice. Jim Reeves. Is there? Hey, bridge over there. What a cool little spot. Adelaide. Blackpool.
I used to like that name.
What, Adelaide?
Yes, it is. Oh, this is good.
Right, here we go. So Rodney Leach, 2000 and... Let me get Sarah dry. What does it say? For oath, when on my couch I lie in vacant or in passive mood.
Pensive mood, they flash upon my inward eye, which is the bliss of solitude, and then my heart with pleasure fills and dances with the daffodils. William Woodley.
Oh, that's him. Right, okay. That's a cool place across, isn't it?
Yeah.
Has that got a roof over it? Do you reckon that's where we're going to have a beer?
Can do, can't we? What?
Yeah. Let me just get a pic of that. Right, we're now venturing into a graveyard, as you do. We'll just pick him on for Sarah. Just pick him on, see which one fits. Have a lie down there, see that one. Robert Townley. I've heard of that name loads. Who died July. Oh, these look old, these. You know the bit that makes me... Right.
Go on.
The bit that makes me sad? All these people that are under here that had their life, but now no longer... They're just memory now, aren't they? And then we're living, walking past. What's it say?
The acclaimed poet
One sec.
William.
Yeah.
The acclaimed poet William Wordsworth described Grasmere as the fairest place on earth. With his family, Wordsworth became a regular worshipper at St Oswald's. He now rests in peaceful churchyard alongside his wife Mara, their daughter Dora, their young children Catherine and Thomas, his sister Dorothy, and others close to them. They lie in the shade of the yew tree, one of 8 planted by the poet in this churchyard.
Wow. So this is the spot. One, 8, 8. It's a well kept after graveyard, isn't it? Look at this holly bush here growing behind this one. Yeah. I wonder if that was planted or is that a wild one? I reckon that's just a wild holly bush. Yeah. Looks cool though. Yeah. Right, we've come to a nice river and a bridge, but we're gonna try our gingerbread. That river looks dead nice and deep, but not for today. Right, we're gonna give it a taste test while hanging over a wall. Nearly falling in a river. Yep. You have to feed it me.
Here he goes.
See, that looks different than I think of gingerbread men. Obviously, it's in a square. It's not in the shape of a man.
He loves his men. He does that job.
Why have I not got a man? Right, are you ready? Honest opinion.
Well, I don't know.
Right, one sec. 1 minute.
No,
That is very good. Let me tell you what I think. What do you think something's in it? One sec.
Gooey, innit?
Look at that. Look that way. What does it taste a bit like?
Ginger.
Is there not a hint of something else?
Like cinnamon.
Maybe. I'm seeing a bit of lemon.
Lemon.
I'm getting a bit of zesty.
Oh.
Mm.
Do you know what? They must have to put the ingredients on.
Nah. Oh yeah. Right.
From a secret recipe.
Here we go. Secret recipe. But
I'll be the judge of
secret
that.
recipe, but here's the ingredients.
Lemon.
Lemon. There you go.
Lemon peel.
Lemon peel. In my throat. Lemon peel in my throat. I hope I got my nail.
Ground ginger, 1%, and salt, syrup. It's not really that secret, it's wrong on the side.
I knew there was some sort of lemon. I'll have some more, please. Look, you can see something in it. That's the lemon peel, maybe. Or not?
Would that not be the ginger?
Maybe.
I love that we just sat at the edge
Very
of the
crummy,
cemetery.
isn't it?
Just
Very
eating
crummy.
gingerbread.
There's the graves.
Yeah.
I love to swim in that river, you know, when it's not.
I know what I'm like some ice and Smarties on it.
Mm.
What I mean?
Yeah. Right, we've just been eating our 10-10 gingerbread
Yes, that'd be 10-10.
with a view. And we're just going to carry on having a mooch around the town. And then we're going to find a pub. So stay tuned. Let's have a look in.
You're welcome.
Yeah, cool. Look at all those different kneeling pads. What are these books?
In loving memory of Francis Williams
Yeah.
and the Archer. And in memory of those grasmere men and women who served in 2 world wars, especially those who gave their lives.
Oh.
Don't shoot the ropes then.
Pardon?
Don't shoot the ropes again.
I bet they used to be to ring the bell. Do you think? Is that what you said? God, that looks dead old. Look at that pouch. Was used in 1950. $18.93. It's this roof that I love. Look at the state of that. That is unbelievable. See them archways? I wonder if there was another level at one point. Should we have a look in this next part? The old original floor.
That's what I was saying, but £8 each.
Hello, and how much is that?
£2.99. Oh, £7.99. I said £2.99. I thought that's really good.
Thought she got a bargain.
It's a lot of bargain.
This roof, I think's the best thing. What is it? Wow. You can write some things here. I think you can do some writing. Wow. That's ace, that, isn't it? Can't imagine making that. Does it say date on it? Can you read?
In loving memory of Nellie Taylor, of the 10th Motor ambulance convoy. British Red Cross who died in France June and was. Let's see. Oh, this organ is a gift of her
It's a gift of her
parents, sorrowing parents.
These windows were always ace, aren't they? The detail in them. He's got a big head. Wow, look at them. Pictures in the wood. Wow, they look really old. Whoa. There's a normal window. Wonder what's happened there. All items of values and yeah. Right, let's do the new toy. Bash. Yeah, should check that out if you come here. That was I'm not religious, but that was quite a cool place to see some history. This is the bridge then that we kept seeing in it.
Yeah.
So you can see the wire mesh over the stained glass there. Yeah, because one of them was just normal. It wasn't stained. So I imagine it's probably been smashed at one point, which is annoying. Yeah.
Yeah, I think it cuts off round here now and then it like follows it back round to the van.
Right. Yeah, but people do it for cheap sometimes, don't they, rather than...
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah, right, so we're going over the bridge now. There's a dead cool tea garden. I'll just have a look over this side. Church bridge. Sorry. So this bridge must be something to do with the church as well. Wow. I'd love to go swimming in that. Not today though, it's a bit too fast. What a cool little town. Grasmere Tea Gardens. It's rammed in there. The Bridge House, Grasmere. That must be another hotel over there. Where that car's turning. Yeah. I'll wait here, yeah? Sorry, love. Let's have a walk across here. The Bridge House. This looks dead nice. Parking only. This looks a nice place. Wow. Got electric charging points. That's where Sarah is, the red gecko. Just little gift shop places, I think. Right, it's just come out now. So there's gifts and interiors. There's another painting shop. We buy original paintings. That's a cool shop. Peter the rabbit and friends. Ah, he's got a lot of friends.
There's the jelly cats that everyone goes mad for.
Jelly cats.
Yeah, look at them.
Yeah, why, where are they?
Inside.
I'll wait here, eh? Oh, we're going. Where's the jelly cats? But what is it?
It's like just a teddy, but
Oh.
there's a place in like London and they made like a cafe because they have food ones.
Mm.
And they like serve you like the food but with the jelly cats as if like do you want chips and it's like jelly cat
Oh.
chips.
Never heard of them before.
The girl that does my eyebrows and lashes, she loves it.
So if you're into Peter Rabbit, this is
Maybe love it, innit?
this is the shop, isn't it? They're cool with the.
Yeah, they're cute.
I don't know if Navy likes Peter Rabbit, does she?
She loves Peter Rabbit.
Does she?
She likes the girl though, doesn't she? Do you know the ones with that Mr. Toll? What are the names she said? I don't know the names of them.
Can't remember.
She must be a
I was going to say if they were cheaper than that, had they got? I think she liked that when she was younger, but
She was quite hard, wasn't it?
I could have got her the letters Navy for a room, but it'd be 40 quid, wouldn't it? They were just a tenner each. Oh, what's round here? Flats, Riverside. Wow.
That's nice view, isn't it?
God, look how cool that river looks from here. God, I would love to go in that, you know, but just not. You'd be swept away rapid, wouldn't you?
Yeah, that's strong, that, isn't it?
Riverside, motherfucker. Do, 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 do. What's this? Throw a coin. No, but I'll bring a magnet. You can see them all there. I might. Should not be too good. Right, you'll have to hold this thing. I'll get bloody drenched here. Right. Let's have it. There's some coins here. Pick one. Penny each. Right, 1 minute. Right, go on. Let me call this. I wish for more wishes. Can't do that one. Right, you hold that one. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Bam, jackpot. Right, this looks like a cool pub, doesn't it? You what?
You going here?
Yeah, yeah. Sound, let's go in.
You can sit outside or something.
Yeah, sound. Wow, this would be cool on the river, wouldn't it? If there's a... Oh. But this would be mint in summer, wouldn't it? Well, we are in summer. Looks very dark inside. Should we keep going? Alright, let's do it. I'm going to walk in with my trespass brolly. Yeah. What is that? Are you having a shower?
You're coming here with a shower. I'm in. Mind your business.
Are you not having a shower in the van? Yeah. Hey, that's a nice colour. Oh, it's dear though, isn't it? Oh, $24.99 that ends up. Hey, look. So it's even dropped again. So that's, instead of 34, it's 24. It's not really that good for us, I don't think. They look cool. This is discounting here. 70% off all year round. That looks a good one, to be fair.
Sale off a sale?
Yeah, sale off for sale. DFS. They're cool. Are they freezer boxes? Oh, that's a fridge.
Yeah. That's cute.
That'll be a good one, that, won't it? How much? £9.
Prices come off it. Oh, $69.95. That's staying here, that.
That can collect dust. You know what? I bet that's a good one though. Where we've just slept on them mats.
Yeah.
But it's a lot to carry in it. That's the only
It's
thing.
quite big, isn't it?
The people that I watch that live in the tent blows my mind. Like, all that they have, they've shared one of these. They share one, so it's
I like cool chairs, don't
yeah. So I feel like because we've got our kit, if you didn't have your kit, you'd probably come here like and get
they? Yeah.
a little rig up. Yeah, that's cool. So I wonder if that's their brand. Craig Hoppers.
No, that is actually a make. That.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
I like them fleeces for girls.
Yeah.
24 quid. That looks like it's been washed a few times. That's cool, that. So that's the pub across the road. That's where Sarah's going in now, the chocolate cottage. Looks like a gift shop. Are you going in? Is it not actually a chocolate?
In there.
Oh, in there. God, they look good. Cumberland sausage, whatever they are. Sweets.
Like marshmallow. Yeah. Look at it full. I love it.
That'll be outside. Right, so we're in a place that's called Grasmere Distillery, and I thought it was like a normal pub, but they only serve their own beers and lager. So I've gone for one, which is the only lager that they had, that's called Dry Hop Lager, and the woman said they make it across the road. So fresh out the toilet. Don't want to drink it now. Right, let's give it a whirl. It is 4%. I'm going to drink it because I bought it, but I wouldn't let me get Sarah trying it. Right, go on. Honest review.
It smells nice.
I found it very watery. It's not like offensive, is it?
It tastes like a flat.
It's a flat.
Do you know, like when you have full fat Coke,
Yeah.
and I would say Coke Zero tastes like a flat version of a Coke. That's what my impression is.
So yeah, you've got to try things, haven't you, when you come somewhere? So
But it's not offensive. You could drink it.
I wasn't going for one of the IPAs though. Not a fan of them. Right, that's us done and dusted in, what's it called again? In the Distillery's Arms. So we've just been. Yep. So we're going to walk back to the van now. Gonna get showers, get changed, maybe have a bit of a chill, and then we're going to head to Ambleside and have our tea, because there's not that much to do here. It's a gorgeous little place, but when there's not a chippy in a little town, you know there's not much there. You what? Well, we'll see. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna head back, and then you never know, there might be another video for Ambleside night time. Pub crawl. That's slowed down now, isn't it? I reckon people jump off there. And I reckon people, I mean me. Yeah. Ding, ding, ding. That's the church that we went in before. Ding, ding, ding. Ding, 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 ding. Ding, ding, ding. All the clouds, how nice is that? I wonder what that is. Local artists produce, eat, something. Yeah. Should we have a look? Let's go and have a scan. This is what I've got in my garden at home. Red acre. It's a big one. You can tell by the leaves, look like weed plant leaves. Not that I know what they look like. What's that one? Save Windermere. No.
It's just a road, isn't it?
Right, let's head back. Should we walk past this thing? Yeah. Hi on me. Ding, 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 ding. It's a very sheep loving place, this. You've got them there. You've got them there. That looks like some good wool. Wow, what a picture that is someone's taken. That looks cool. Oh, she's gone in. A little bugger. What's this? Please tag us in it. Wow, that looks cool. Let me take a picture. What are you skanking? Go on then. I need something good for them. Are you allowed to do this?
Yeah, try me.
Yeah?
Just opening and crate.
I'll have to do it. Or is it the other way around?
Oh,
Brand new. Get yourself down there.
does it smell nice?
So that's Wayne Wright. I think he was from Blackburn, wasn't he? Yeah. I think he was. Say it again? No, I think that's real. Cool shot. Right, so we're back at the van. Loved it. Nice little town. Not much here. Like half a day job. Little stop through, I would say. But you lot might prefer it more. So I'll appreciate it if you like it. And we'll see you on the next one.